Hi, I'm Marni May, and I'm shooting this video because 5 months ago, my life was great, but I felt like there was something more available for me, and I was tired of doing the same thing and expecting different results, and nothing was changing. After Ascension Leadership Academy, I wake up every day feeling fulfilled and excited about my life. My life has meaning and purpose, and I feel driven to create massive impact in the world. I highly recommend ALA for anyone who's ready to step into leadership and to have the massive impact that they know that they can have in this world. My journey in ALA Level 3 was tumultuous in the beginning because I felt like I had learned so much in Level 1 and Level 2 that did I really need Level 3 anyway? And while there was that little voice inside my head that said, you definitely do, there were all these reasons why not. And that was a story of my life, like looking for the why nots. And so it gave me this really great opportunity to shift from an old pattern, which my pattern was run away. Like if something shows up that I don't like, just leave. And so instead I leaned into commitment. And once I committed to staying in it, the breakthroughs were unbelievable. My biggest takeaway from ALA was that I am powerful beyond measure. And being in Level 3, I realized that everything I set my mind to is possible. Not only is it possible for me, but I'm worthy of it, whatever it is. I think that Level 3 for me was the most powerful experience I've ever had in my entire life. And I believe everybody gets to do this. I came into Level 3 anti-enrollment. I heard about this enrollment thing and I thought, why do these people want me to market for them? Like, yeah, it's a great program, but like, you know, this enrollment thing, I'm not really for it. If somebody wants to go in their own time, they'll go, and if they don't, they won't. And I left Level 3 a maniac on a mission. I was enrolling everyone and their mother. All of my ex-boyfriends got to go. I mean, it was like, you could not stop me, because what I recognized was that this program, what we're doing here, is all about transforming lives. Me being able to evoke someone's vision and enroll them into my vision, it literally shows up everywhere in my life and is critical for everything that I do and everything I touch. When I got to experience enrollment and the energy of enrollment, my life changed. The things that I wanted to do in my world shifted. I realized in Level 1 that I want to be a star. And I didn't know what that meant. I don't want to be famous necessarily, but I recognized that I was dimming my light and I really wanted to shine brightly. So for many years, I was told that my voice didn't matter, like, shut up. I heard my dad's voice in my head, like, stop singing, stop sharing. And then I recognized that I was actually doing a disservice to myself and to my community by not sharing my voice. And ALA helped me to recognize that my voice matters and that I had a tribe of people who were going to support me as I shared my voice. And when I shifted into that awareness, okay, I want to be a star and I have this tool of my voice. So I started to record music. And then in Level 3, I had like previously been trying to find producers and record and all the things. It was like all the timelines that I had imagined for myself were just collapsed. I found a producer, we recorded 5 songs in 3 days. Next thing I knew, my songs are on Spotify. I met this woman at an event that I was invited to facilitate at, and then she heard my voice and said, I want to produce a concert for you. My concert was completely produced by someone else. All I had to do was show up. There were like 80 people there. It was far beyond anything I could have put on by myself. And it was just this awareness of when I set an intention, anything is possible, and the ability to collapse timelines when I'm in that energy of enrollment and I'm in service and evoking vision in others and bringing people into this transformational work, everything is possible. This is life-changing. It's nothing short of transformation. And transformation, like, we're living in a time where there's so much opportunity to connect with our spirit, to connect with something bigger than ourselves, to connect with community. And with all the technology out there, there's so much opportunity for connection, but it's actually led, in my experience, to so much disconnection. So finding a community where I belong, where my people are, where the people who want to change the world and are just as deeply committed to personal development come together towards a common vision and a common mission to change the world for the better and to create leaders leaders who are affecting positive impact in the world, it feels like that's the most critical thing right now. And so I am so grateful that ALA exists, and I really hope that everybody takes advantage of coming together with their soul community.